Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's a new year and we're starting on a good note. It's been a while and I'm fully back. So in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to bake the world's softest, vanilla cake recipe. So sit back, don't go anywhere, relax, make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So these are some of the ingredients I used for this recipe. 180 grams of sifted flour. Make sure you sieve your flour at least once or twice. 125 grams of butter or margarine. Use your desired choice. Then 2 large eggs, but bear in mind that you're going to separate them into your egg whites and egg yolks. Then 125 grams of sifted sugar. Make sure you sieve your sugar to achieve that softness you need. Then half tablespoon of baking powder together with half cup of liquid milk. So that is it. Then also I used half tablespoon of vanilla essence, but if you're using your extract you need 1.5 teaspoons. So let's get started. First of all, you have to sieve your dry ingredients. I'd already sieved my flour, so all I needed to do at this stage was to sieve in my baking powder into the flour. Then afterwards I had to set it aside. In a clean bowl, scoop in your margarine or butter and pre-mix it alone for like 4 to 5 minutes just to soften it. To achieve that very soft cake, you need to sieve your sugar. So this is what you need to do. For instance, this recipe calls for 125 grams of sugar. You can just measure out 1 cup of sugar or even 2 cups of sugar, then sieve, use a sieve and sieve it into a clean bowl. Then afterwards, the one you sieved out, from it measure out 125 grams. So this is me also adding my flavor, that is my vanilla essence, into the mix. So if you have your extract, you can use it as well. Mix for like 5 to 10 minutes till the mixture is kind of, it changes color and is soft too. I used 2 eggs and I had to separate them into the egg whites, which I'm adding right now. Then after adding your egg whites, you add the egg yolks. So by the time you add the egg whites, make sure you mix thoroughly so that the whole mixture will be well blended. Then now I'm adding my egg yolks. Afterwards, mix thoroughly. Make sure it's well incorporated into the mixture. It's now time for me to add the dry ingredients. Remember, in this bowl, all I have is the flour and the baking powder. So add it gradually into the wet mix. So you either add alternately, that's the dry ingredients and the milk alternately, or you add it bit by bit, as in batches, gradually. Keep doing this till all the dry ingredients and milk enters. So mix gradually. It will prevent your cake from having a lot of holes. So keep mixing till you achieve a very smooth batter. So right here we'll have our cake batter is ready. It's time for us to scoop it into a prepared baking pan. This is me dispensing the cake batter into the pans. Then after this stage, the next thing we need to do is just to put it into the oven for it to bake fully. Now it's time for us to tap and bake. So by the time you tap, all the air bubbles in the batter, they're escaping. So when you bake your cake, it will come out very neat. So make sure you bake in a preheated oven. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Our cakes are out and they are fully baked. So this is what we'll have. So this is my very soft vanilla cake. Wow, it's so easy to bake. So I believe after today or after now, you can bake yours too. Now this is me trying to check or see what it looks like. As you can see, the cake is so fluffy and at the same time so moist. It's not even bringing out crumbs. This is the perfect vanilla cake recipe you need. So with these ingredients, you can bake this particular cake. So baking is fun. And please, if you've not bought my book, try and get a copy today. This book, my recipe book, is a must-have. Even if you're not a baker, you need it in your home. So till some other time, bye. And thanks for watching.